Namaskar. Okay, friends and families, welcome to yoga. Today, let us do cooling pranayamas. How to cool down body and the mind. So, the cooling pranayamas will help us to be free of tension, cooling effect. The whole body will be very free. Now, let us see how to do cooling pranayamas. There are four types of cooling pranayamas. Sitali, Sitkari, Sadanta and Brahmari. Let us see one by one. Now how to do Sitali. Sitali pranayama. First sit comfortably like this on the wall support, shoulder free, neck free. Place your hands comfortably in Chin Mudra. Just sit easy in Sukhasana. Spine straight, be comfortable. Now let us start doing Sitali pranayama. Sitali means cooling. Sita, the cooling effect. So, from the tongue we have to do this Sitali. Open your mouth, pull out the tongue, hold your tongue like a tube, like this, and suck the air inside through your throat and let it go to the lungs. You should go to the respiratory system. So let us do one by one. Hold your tongue like a tube. Close your mouth, exhale through the nose. Do it comfortably. Suck the air as much as you can through the tongue tube and feel the coolness. Close your mouth, exhale through the nose. Sitali. Just it is over. Now with this Sitali, when you suck the air, you feel the full coolness throughout your mouth, throat, and the chest, lungs region. It is giving a cooling effect to our body. When the body is cooled, mind is also cooled. So you will have the body freeness without any tense. So it is important to practice Sitali Pranayama. The next one, Sitkari. Hold the tongue inward, let it touch the upper palate like this. From the both the side of the tongue, there will be a gap. From that gap, you have to suck the air. Same as usual, close the mouth and exhale through the nose. Just hold the tongue, do it easily. Enjoy this Sitkari Pranayama. You will have some more cooling effect since the tongue is folded and you can feel the coolness. So nice. The mouth, the throat and the lungs are cooling with this Sitkari. The tongue action is so nice. Hold it. So when you activate the tongue, the saliva glands will get activated. That glands give us a tasty. When you take our food, we will find the very tasty. This tongue and the saliva helps us to be and have a good taste. And also with the tongue action, you can able to talk freely. So nice it will be. You can practice daily and be happy. The third one is Sadanta. Sadanta, just biting the teeth, upper bites and the lower bites. Gently bite, and in between the gap of the teeth gap, you have to suck the air. Gently bite the teeth and suck the air in between the teeth gap. You feel the so cooling effect on your gums, chillness. Do it number of times, repeat as much as you can. Enjoy the coolness, again the mouth and the throat and the lungs. The respiratory systems are cooled down. You feel very fresh, happy. The mouth is fresh. You will not have any problem. The teeth and gums are getting strengthened with the pure oxygen. And people suffering with pyorrhea and the bleeding gums is get cured. Removes bad smell from the mouth. Lot of benefits in this Sitkari. So nice. Sitali, Sitkari, Sadanta. That one is over. Now let us do Brahmari Pranayama. The honeybee sound, honeybee humming. How the honeybee sings. Suppose the honeybee comes and make a round in front of you, your face. How you, after closing the eyes, how you feel? Imagine enjoy the beautiful, sweet voice of the honeybee. The female honeybee has got more sweet voice than the male. So the female honeybee sings so nicely and enjoy this vibration by closing the eyes in meditation posture, Chin Mudra. Just be free, be comfortable, take a spine support, fall support, take a deep breath, close your eyes and do the humming. Open your voice box, the throat, so you can enjoy it. Some more voice, sweet voice, you make it. And the last one. Slowly open your eyes. And with this Brahmari Pranayama, the voice box is so clear, the throat is clear, thyroids, food pipe, windpipes are so nicely actioning. The singers, if they practice, they will get this sweet voice. Anybody can practice and they have a nice voice to speak out and you can enjoy it. The throats and the voice box are getting strengthened with this. You can feel the vibration throughout your facial and the body. The whole body will be calmed. No tense, no depression, no negative thoughts. This is a meditative posture. When you do this Brahmari Pranayama, automatically you will get the meditative effect. So wonderful, so nice. You can continue the meditation if you want. And it has got a lot of benefits. Mind is cooled, whole body is cooled. Where is the question of high BP? There is no high BP. Your BP will be always normal after doing these cooling pranayamas. Sitali, Sitkari, Sadanta, and Brahmari. So wonderful breathing pranayama exercise. In last session, we have seen the Nadi Suddhi pranayama. It was so nice. Today is cooling pranayamas. So wonderful to practice. Please practice early in the morning or late in the evening so that your body will be very cool, no tension. After coming back from the work and the office, if you practice this, you will be in a pleasure. All the tensions from morning, whatever the tensions you have built, that will vanish and you will be the happy person. You can just be happy with your family members, children. There is no question of annoyed. You will not get any annoyed with anyone. There is a lot of benefits in this cooling pranayamas. Please do this daily, and when you do this, you should be very careful. And this, you can select such a place where the calm place with good ventilation, free air should be there. Nobody should disturb you when you do these cooling pranayamas, any breathing exercise. There should not be any disturbance. And when you should have a abhyasa and vairagya. Both are very important. Should have first have vairagya. Yes, I should do yoga daily and be healthy and fit my body every day. So you should have vairagya. Then only you can practice. Then automatically the abhyasa comes. Abhyasa and vairagya are very important in our life. Anything, if you want a good health, you should practice every day and it will give you a good health, peace of mind, happiness. Elders, those who are not able to sit on the floor with the folded legs, they can easily sit on the chair or sofa. Practice this. So wonderful it will be. People suffering with insomnia, sleepless night, it is very benefited. If you do daily these cooling pranayamas, Nadi Shuddhi pranayamas, definitely you will have a good sleep, sound sleep, and there won't be any tense, no negative thoughts. Always you will be happy, your mind will be free. So, a lot of advantages in doing yoga, Nadi Shuddhi pranayama, and cooling pranayamas. Please try to do daily, little by little, and improve. You will have good health, happiness, peace of mind. With this, all the best. God bless you. Thank you.